Easy container vegetables for rooftop gardening. Container vegetable gardening allows you to cultivate edibles in limited space, and in this video, you'll find out easy container vegetables that you can grow on your rooftop garden. Beans. Most of the beans are climbers and really easy to grow. You can grow them on your balcony or rooftop garden near a wall, and within weeks, you will get a green wall of a climber running up through soft tendrils over the trellis. For growing beans, you will need a spot that receives the sun in abundance, a pot that is minimum 12 inches deep, and a trellis-like structure for support. Since beans fix the nitrogen, most of the vegetables that require more nitrogen are good to grow with them. If you're growing beans in a very large pot, you can grow summer savory, kale, spinach and celery in the base. Tomatoes. Without a doubt, tomatoes are easiest to grow. If you receive ample sun for at least 5 to 6 hours, you can grow tomatoes. For this, choose a large pot that is at least 12 inches deep. On a limited space, growing dwarf varieties of determinate type are best. You could also try cherry tomatoes for higher yield. Lettuce. Growing lettuce in pots is easy. It grows up quickly and you will have the opportunity to harvest repeatedly. Lettuce is a cool season crop, and you have to decide what is the right time for its growth according to your climate. Usually, seeds are started in spring, but if you live in a warm climate, grow lettuce in winter. For growing lettuce, choose a wide planter rather than deep. 6 inches deep is enough. Leave space of 4 to 7 inches between each plant. Remember, leaf lettuces can be grown more closely than head lettuces. Use well-draining soil and do shallow and frequent watering to keep the soil slightly moist always. Peppers and chilies. Peppers and chilies are easiest to grow in containers, and they are most productive too. If you keep the pot in a sunny spot and provide right soil and fertilizer at the time, this vegetable will fruit prolifically. The large and deep pot that is minimum 12 inches deep is optimum. Pepper plants are susceptible to pests. You will have to keep an eye on aphids. Carrots. Sow the seeds of carrot varieties that are short instead of standard ones, as they require more room to grow their roots. Choose containers that are deep enough to provide room to roots. Carrots are easy to grow in pots if you choose a right variety. Keep the plants in full sun to partial sun, and water them regularly to keep the soil slightly moist. Avoid overwatering. Also, carrots are susceptible to mildew, so don't wet the foliage. A simple tip: do mulching. It also helps in container vegetable gardening, especially in the warm weather. Mulch the surface of your potted vegetables with organic matter. It will reduce the process of evaporation and after the decomposition. The organic mulch will provide nutrition to plants.